Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into a super important tool for anyone working with APIs. Whether you are a developer, a QA tester, or even someone who is very enthusiastic and curious about API, we are talking about Postman. Yes, so what exactly is Postman? In simple terms, Postman is an API platform for building. You can build your APIs and use your APIs and test your APIs. So think of it as a powerful toolkit that simplifies every stage of your API lifecycle. It's a very popular tool and it lets you send requests to web servers, and you can do all types of requests and get the response, and it's incredibly easy to test, build and document your APIs. So before Postman, there was a hard way of testing APIs and doing the development. You have to run the command or you have to write a lot of code, which is very cumbersome and time consuming. But Postman changed all of that by providing a UI, user friendly. As you can see, this is for Mac. This Postman is also available for Linux and Windows. So it's easy to use tool, and you can download it and install it as an application on your local machine, or you can use the web version as you can see here. So this is available both as a desktop and web version. So let's talk about why you need Postman. Firstly, it simplifies API testing. You simply select your type of request, put your endpoint here, and send the and it provides all the features here, your authentication for your APIs, headers, and you can test everything, and you can even export the results. You can view the results in different format. You can add headers and all the thing and just hit send button, and it sends and beautifully displays the response as you can see here. So you can use this tool to see if your API is behaving as expected, and this is very important for developers and QA testers to ensure the quality and reliability of their application. And secondly, it boosts development efficiency. It improves development effort efficiency. So developers can use Postman to quickly test their endpoints that they are developing, building, even before the end application is ready. You can simulate API responses without having a live API. Postman has a mocking feature, so you can mock servers and test your API and simulate the API responses, which is great for parallel development. Thirdly, it enhances collaboration. So you can use Postman as a not only as an individual, but if you are working in a team, you can share. You can you can allow this Postman allows you to share across teams, share your API collections. So that is a very big advantage. So everyone in your team can access it. So this helps in consistency across your team. Everyone sees the same setup. Even your project managers, you can share this to the developers, testers, whoever in your team that you need to share. So all of you can work on the same API definitions. So this ensures consistency and reduces misunderstandings. So that's also done. You can do it easily using this tool, and so everyone is on the same page. Fourthly, this tool Postman is great for documentation and learning. So you can generate a complete documentation, so it makes others to easy to understand. So all of your requests are here documented, so anyone can read it just like they read a documentation. So this is an excellent hands-on tool to see how they work in practice. So you can experiment with different types of requests and results and instantly see the results. So that's one thing. So whether you are starting your API journey or you are a seasoned professional, Postman is an indispensable tool that will save you time, reduce headaches, and help you build better software. And coming back, so that's a quick overview of what Postman is and why it is such a vital tool And in our next video, we will show you how to install Postman and make your very first API request. Stay tuned. Goodbye.